Hi, I'm Tammy. So guys, we're doing another video in the Easy Cocktail series. So this one is grapefruit basil, and we're going to mix things up. With this one, we're not going to use any basil or any grapefruit to even garnish. We're going to show you that you don't have to even have those ingredients on hand to make your cocktail awesome. So again, this particular mixer will be in the link if you want to get it, but we're going to use an ounce of this mixer in the cocktail, and then we're going to use vodka as our spirit of choice. And you can use anything you want, really. It's just up to you what you want to use, but we're going to use 2 ounces of this grapefruit. Ooh, I got that really full. This grapefruit, little spillage there, Deep Eddy. And this would be good really with tequila. It'd be good with gin. I mean, you just name whatever you want to use. And then I'm going to top this off with just some club soda, okay? So we're going to finish this off with some club soda because really, I like the bubblies. Gonna use my straw, give that a swizzle, and then I'm actually going to sit with just a lime, right? And that's really only because I happen to have some lime, and I think it will be awesome in there. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to put some lime in there, and it's good to go. That's all I got to do. What is that? 15 seconds to make. It's delicious. Anybody that you're entertaining is going to love this, and we're ready to do the taste test. So, cheers. This is awesome. This drink is delish. So, it's super good. I don't want to tell you that it's refreshing because I say that a lot, but it's really refreshing. So, if you want to sit out by the pool or if you want to sit outside and drink this, you certainly can. It is so good. Yeah, it's really good. I'm probably going to down the whole drink before this video is over because it's hot here in Florida and this drink is awesome. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, and I'll be doing a lot more of these easy drinks for you because I really think that everybody should be able to be a weekend bartender. Thanks, and have a great weekend. Cheers. Yum.